Shuttleworth Creek bursting its banks Wednesday night. This is some of the aftermath. A walking bridge taken down, and this driveway destroyed in the fast-moving water.
You know, you wake up one morning and the water's washing it all away. Upsetting? Yeah.
As residents deal with it all, work crews do too. Spending much of the day removing debris from the creek to allow the water to flow easy. It's here along
There's you, Mom. There's me in the black.
Banks, and where
with the black hat.
Constructed a berm to keep the water where it belongs. While many are applauding the quick action of emergency crews,
The BC wildfire crews, they saved us.
others say the response was not quick enough.
When the water came rushing in at 10 o'clock that night, nobody was here. It was all up to us.
When that creek started to breach overnight, it wasn't
Kenny's
safe
gonna
to
come on
send
soon.
anybody in to do any works.
And with so much flooding in the region, emergency officials say bringing in resources prior to the banks bursting is not always easy.
There's only so much equipment in this valley. So there were very, very pressing needs that we had to address the previous day. And it's difficult, and we ache for residents that see that water rising and don't feel like someone's there
That's
to
Kenny's
assist them.
house right
But it's
there
all
on
in
the
that action
left.
plan.
An action
Right.
plan that was enhanced by the residents
Right
pulling
there.
together.
This was community work
there's
at
Kenny.
its finest.
Cloud News, Okanagan Falls.
Community's work at its finest, eh?
Traffic is now getting